Hey guys, when you're transporting your rifle to the range or just transporting it, there's a few options that aren't that great. One of those would be to get a case like this Plano all-weather tactical case. The problem with this is when you're leaving your apartment, people can tell you probably have a rifle in your case. There's also the traditional tactical bags or the traditional rifle bags. Those are some of the options that I don't really like, so I came up with a different solution. Alright, so what I did is I found a cheap light stand bag on Amazon. This was like 40 or 50 bucks. Zips right open, and I took some foam, Kaizen foam, cut out inserts, and then I have basically a full loadout. So rifle, 8 magazines, pistol, and four magazines there. I'll throw in a little clip of the full loadout. The problem became when I got a new rifle, I didn't have anywhere to put it, and I wanted to take more than just one. So I like that setup, but the bag isn't the best quality. So I decided to upgrade to this, which is the PhotoFlex Trans Pack. I bought 2 of these because they were less expensive when you bought 2 of them. Link in the description if you want to check it out. Here's what I did on the first try. Started off with corrugated plastic and packing tape, and the plan was to adhere some thin foam to it, and as you can see, it didn't really go super great. The spray adhesive didn't stick very well. It's still like gross, and yeah, it didn't work. So we're gonna head to the store today, pick up some new foam, and then we're going to get this rifle case set up for 2 ARs, maybe a pistol, and a little bit of ammo. Let's go. Hey, a little driving advice. When you're going anywhere, make sure you take a wrong turn, so then you get to explore your own city just a little bit more. Alright, so you may be asking, what is this stuff? So you can kind of see there's some layers. Let me grab a piece. This is Kaizen foam. As you can see, there's layers in it right there. So what that means is you can go into your block, cut in whatever shape you want, and then dig out, and it peels off fairly clean. So you can make it whatever depth you need it to be. So we got the first layer cut out for the rifle slots. So we got some room for magazines and maybe some smaller stuff down the middle. And we'll get on to the next one. Alright, so we got our foam cut. We got them in the bag now. Alright, so we got both of the rifle cutouts in the first two layers. So as you can see, they're starting to sit a little bit lower. So we'll start cutting out pockets into the third layer for the grips, and we'll settle them down, and then we'll come back and put blocks in the front up here to hold the barrels up. Alright, so here's the final case. So you can see it's a pretty simple looking light gear bag. So we pop it open. It does have this flap up here where you could put extra stuff behind it, but basically it's going to protect my optics. So we got a full AR and an AR pistol, 10.5 inch, and then 8 magazines. So these will be all 300 blackout, and these will be standard 5.56. And yeah, so these are super easy to get into, so you can just grab the optic and there you go. So you can see down in here we have room for the brace here, the handle, the pistol grip, and then you can see there's some points here where it holds up the handguard. So we can pull out the rifle too. So butt stock, I carved a little bit out for the stock and the charging handle there, so it fits in a little nicer. Another cutout for the QD. Yeah, so it just fits in nice and snug. So, and then the magazines don't rattle around too much. There you go, a way to carry your rifles in and out of your house or apartment without people knowing. That sounded weird. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. And if you want to talk about the concept of the concealment of rifle cases, make a video if you'd like, and let me know what you think. Thanks.